everybody, Molly here from my channel, Molly Fits Around. And we just got here to Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom. We're on the tram and we have passes for TRON.
We're actually doing it this
very first time ever. We have our passes and we're here just for TRON. We got the Bing, so we gotta head there right now. So there's storms everywhere, but we're gonna run. So we only have about 40 minutes to try and get there in time. So we have to hop on this boat and then run there as fast as we can. So I am so excited, TRON, for the first time. You ready, Patrick? I hope we can make it, Patrick.
I don't like roller coasters, so I'm not gonna do it.
That's okay, but you can sit on the trial bike and we can go through the shop. They have a whole new shop, so we can't wait to see it also. All right, let's go do this. TRON! It's raining. And here's the castle. Switched out to my iPhone because of the rain. I didn't want to get the camera wet, so we'll see if I switch back or not. Castle with balloons. Okay, and we're running to TRON. Let me check. Okay, we have 22 minutes. 22 minutes to get to TRON. All right, it is super hot and muggy. It is drizzling a little bit, but we are here and we have made it. And I think I still have 18 minutes to spare, so whew. All right, the famous TRON sign. I guess we'll come back for a picture. Yeah, and then you lean forward. Give me a cheese.
I can't, this is gonna be horrible.
Whoa. We're getting launched into the grid, guys. There's stuff in there.
Prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Welcome to the grid. Proceed to gate. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. Securely fastened. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times.
There it is. Oh, they're going.
Team Blue Lightcycle run on
Look down. You got it. There you go. Oh my god, there it goes. Holy, oh! And I hit my back. When it starts. Okay, ready?
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Caesars. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
Woo! We did it!
As you dismount and exit, be sure to collect your belongings.
Oh my god, this is hard to get out. Alright, so I come this way first and follow the arrows. Whew.
Hold the handlebars. Now push forward. Push forward.
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. First energy gate captured. Second energy gate. 3. 4. 5 captured. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
Whoa. I just got off Tron with Patrick, and then he got to rider swap and ride a second time with Tommy. So, oh my god, I loved it. What did you think? Is that amazing?
Scared of rides? Don't do it. I'd rate it a 9 out of 10, even though it horrified me for like 30 minutes wait. And
It was a little nerve-wracking getting up to it because we've never ridden anything like that with the leg grips and stuff.
It was fun.
Yeah, I thought once I sat down I was comfortable. I wasn't scared that it was only holding my legs or anything. I thought it was awesome. So, rated to Guardians, very similar on the inside dark part, but it's straightforward and very fast. So,
Once you do like
Less-
sit in it,
yeah, it's less nauseating. Tommy said he didn't get a headache, but he got one after Guardians for the first time. And then it is so cool standing in this tent and having it like zip around you the whole time you're here. So I think that's the intimidating part. You have to see how fast and high and sideways and stuff, and then you have to go brave it. So I'm glad we did it. I'll definitely do that again someday. Yeah.
fastest ride I've ever done. I suggest you
And
do it.
fastest takeoff. That takeoff was so fast. I was like, all right, it's gonna stop accelerating. It's gonna stop. And then it kept getting faster, faster, faster. So that was super cool. I know you've never had a fast launch like that before. It reminded me of like the Hulk at Universal. We're now done with Tron and we're moving on to see what we do. I did get super rained on, so my hair is a mess. We got, it was pouring rain while we waited in line, but you know that happens, so at least we got to ride. Whoa, here is the Tron store. Super cool. Figures, neat expensive figurines that light up. Wow, now the backpack, $55, and I think it even lights up and stuff. It's got buttons. Oh, you can buy a disc to put on it.
$70. Remote control.
Whoa, look, you get to put your face on the identity. Look at that.
Oh, weird.
You get disc. See that, Patrick? This must be the character personalization bay. Look, you come over here and they like scan you and you go into the grid. Hey, that's that chip like from his necklace. Game on. Okay, now we've got some patches. pop socket. We're gonna have to find some sort of a pen. Wow, and they're real shiny. Here's a cool grid bag. $40. Okay, we got some Tron mugs, $25. Wow, it reminds me of the thing where you like jump out and start riding in the movie. Alright, that is a cool Tron shirt. Oh, I see some pens over here. Okay, so we have Game On. Interesting.
I think they both are.
TRON Lightcycle Run. Or TRON, and this one spins a little. Wow, okay. And then down here, one, oh, with the bike. What's that one extra? Are these like slap bracelets? With all the different colored tracks, the blue, because we're team blue. That's neat. Wow, the full helmet. So you can be all the way in the grid. I like this bag. That's a cool bag. Ooh, I like the hat. That's neat. Shirts, $40. Oh, we got some Tron cups. Those are interesting. I like how it's got all the colorful, and oh, the full helmet. There it is. That's big. Okay, more bags, some cool kid shirts. Racer cup. Oh, and they race around the top. That's cute. Hey, Flynn's Top Score Club. That's for the arcade shop. That's cool. Look, they got the Flynn for the arcade shop. That's kind of cool. Oh. Or look, 25 cents at the Flynn arcade. That's how much it used to cost to put in a quarter to play a game.
Oh, that's how much it is to play Tron, I guess.
That's really cool.
Oh, it's not the mask back on.
Oh, here's some of the Tron little kid toys. Some neat made-to-order items. Alright, so we are standing here in some sprinkles again. Patrick is stopping for a Mickey pretzel, and I definitely want to go in the treat shop, the confectionery, on the way out of here, because I can't come to Magic Kingdom and not get one of their amazing treats. So other than that, I think we are about done for the day. This rain's just not going anywhere, and we're already wet and dried. I look like a floofy mess, I'm sure. So anyways, let's go get those treats and try to stay as dry as we can on our way back out of here. Oh god, as I spin around, that's like super ominous looking dark sky back there behind me. So whew, here we go.
Like I have to wear gloves to play that. Like I have a huge sensory thing.